So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by your stash, the summit is for you. Or if you just want to get the most bang for your buck, then the summit is for you too. Hello, crafty friends. It's Jessica, and welcome back to Jessie Kate Creates. I have some exciting news to share with you guys. So do you remember in a previous video when I said, I know I kind of disappeared for a few minutes there between the holidays and just other things going on. It was just a busy time for me. There was a lot going on, but one of the reasons I was so busy is because I was preparing to be an instructor for a card making summit. So I'm so happy to share that I will be an instructor at the Cardmaking Stash Summit being hosted by Justine Hovey, January 29th through 31st. And what is the Cardmaking Stash Summit, you ask? It is a free card making event dedicated to teaching you how to get the most out of the supplies you already own. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by your stash, the summit is for you. Or if you just want to get the most bang for your buck from these stamps, dies, stencils, embossing folders, and everything else you already own, then the summit is for you too. I'm going to break down exactly what this free 3-day event is and how you get your free ticket. But first, I need to wax poetic for a second. And I will include a little timestamp somewhere here if you just want to jump to all the details about the event. Being an instructor for this event is kind of a full circle moment for me. So let's jump way back to spring 2020. At that time, I was at the very beginning of my YouTube journey. And by that, I mean, I had posted 4 very cringy card making videos of questionable quality over the course of like a year. They were not great videos by any means, but at that time I was kind of just testing the waters and having fun with the videos I was making. I don't think any of those videos had more than 10 views, and half of those views were just from me. But one day during that time, I stumbled across the Save the Crafty YouTuber hop that was being hosted by Justine Hovey here on YouTube. And that video hop introduced me to so many amazingly talented card makers. And I distinctly remember thinking, oh my gosh, how cool would it be if one day I was part of this hop? And that planted just the tiniest seed inside me that I really wanted to improve my card making skills and really become a part of the card making community here on YouTube. Well, the hop is no more, but I am an instructor for the Use Your Card Making Stash Summit that's being hosted by Justine Hovey this month, and I think that counts. So with all of that being said, let's get into the details for the summit. The Cardmaking Stash Summit is a free 3-day virtual event where you learn how to maximize creating with the things you already own in your stash. The summit runs from January 29th to January 31st, and there are over 30 classes by 29 amazing instructors. I'll try to throw a graphic up here on the screen so you can see who some of the instructors are. The classes are all broken up over 3 days, and each day has a different theme. So day 1 is all about using your pattern paper stash. And I know so many of you guys who watch me are like me in that you have a giant stash of pattern paper that you need to use up. If that's you, day 1 is for you. Day 2 focuses on how to turn beginner cards into intermediate cards. So this day is great if you've been crafting for a while and you feel like you have the basics down pretty good, but you want to learn how to really turn your cards into showstoppers. And finally, day 3 teaches 2-4 techniques. So you learn how to get twice as many cards with half the work. And who doesn't love that? We put so much time and effort into the cards that we make, so it's really great when we can do one technique and get 2 cards from it. Especially if you donate cards, so you need to make a lot of them. Day 3 is definitely going to be for you. I am going to be an instructor on day 2, and in my class, I show you how to make a beginner card, and then we take that card and we use 3 different techniques using items that I know y'all probably already have in your stash and turn that into an advanced card. And spoiler alert, I'm busting out the embossing folders because y'all know that is one of my favorite supplies in the craft room. So while the summit is free, you do need a ticket to attend, and in the description box below this video, I've put a link where you can grab your free ticket. The free ticket gives you access to all of the presentations each day of the summit for 24 hours after they go live. The free ticket also includes access to the Summit Facebook group, which I personally think is one of the best parts of the summit. And that's because Justine was really intentional with how she designed this summit. She wants you to really get creating with your stash and participating and using your stash and not just watching the videos. So the Facebook group is your opportunity to connect with other crafters. You can post the cards and projects that you are making that have been inspired by the workshops you've seen at the summit. And you can also see what other people are creating and posting in the Facebook group as well. So if you're looking for some card making community, it's a really great opportunity to connect with people. Now, when you grab that free ticket, you will also notice the option for a paid ticket, the Ultimate Card Making Toolkit. The biggest perk of getting this paid ticket for the toolkit is that you get immediate lifetime access to all of the presentations. So if you don't want to wait until the 29th, or if you aren't available the summit weekend, but you still want to take advantage of all the knowledge that there is to learn from the summit, the paid option might be for you. A couple of other perks that you get if you purchase the Ultimate Card Making Toolkit is access to all of the live events that happen throughout the summit weekend. There will be live card making challenges, co-working crafty time. There will even be Q&As with some of the instructors. I'll be participating in one of the coffee chats on January 31st for folks who purchase the toolkit. Oh, and with the toolkit, there's even like this fun bingo game where you complete different prompts, and when you get bingo, you get entered into drawings to win really fun prizes. And lastly, but certainly not least, with the Ultimate Card Making Toolkit, you get access to a bunch of bonus goodies. So there are some bonus classes and workshops, there are digital downloads, there are printables. So if you opt for the paid Ultimate Card Making Toolkit, you definitely get your money's worth from it. Now, if that is not in your crafty budget, that's totally okay, friend. You can still get access to all of the workshops and the Facebook group with the free ticket. If you opt for the free ticket, I would just recommend that instead of trying to watch all of the presentations, maybe just pick 1 or 2 presentations that you want to see each day. That way you don't get overwhelmed by all of the classes. So watch your top classes and then make with what you learned in those workshops. And be sure to post it to the Facebook group because we all want to see what you're making too. But whichever route you choose, I really just hope that you participate in the summit. It's a fun weekend with so much to learn about getting the most from your stash. So be sure to grab your ticket down in the description box below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this encourages you to attend the summit and learn how to craft with your stash. I will see you in another video soon. Bye.